Robbie, my soulmate, my friend, and my very soon-to-be husband. Waking up this morning, I thought to myself, I can't believe after all of this time, we are finally here. I was only 15 years old when I met you. Now we've grown older. We've done all the things we set out to do, and after all of these wonderful years full of hard work, patience, and adventure, I get to be your wife, which is the greatest honor I could ever have.
What is love? If I were to imagine it, it would be a starry night, with each little light representing a decision to be forgiving, kind, warm, affectionate, strong at times, and tender at others, and most importantly, loving. At first, love starts simple. It's sweet and fun. It dances in your belly and warms you up. It's new and exciting. And the more you put into love, and the more actions you do to show your love, the more stars that shine and the brighter they are. Before you know it, you're completely filled and the night sky is full of little stars. If you take care of love, it will always shine no matter how dark the night becomes or how lonely life gets. Stephanie, I love you. You are my best friend and soulmate. You completely understand me and know exactly what I'm thinking. You know me so well, you know exactly how I'm feeling right now inside. You can tell how nervous I am. But you also know how happy I am, and I've never been more.
Robbie, you are my guardian angel, my home, my familiar feeling, my one constant, my companion and my teacher. You're my best friend in the entire world, and you make me laugh louder than anyone else can. You also make the best homemade chili. I love your laugh, your voice, your love for God, your kindness and the way you approach life. I love how you place a glass of water on my nightstand every night and pray for me before bed. And now I look forward to waking up to you every morning. I love how you're always my first responder, putting on a band-aid when I fall, how you constantly push me to be brave, strong, and independent. You make me a better version of myself. I never thought I could love someone the way I love you. Our love for each other has made my heart bend and stretch in ways I didn't know were possible.
Dear Robbie, happy wedding day. Today I'm becoming your wife. You are going to be the best husband. God knew my heart needed you. Since I can remember, I've prayed for God's plan to be done in my life. Today, I take you as you are, accepting you, your weaknesses, and embracing your dreams.
Dear Steph, we're getting married today, and I've never been happier. You are my everything, Stephanie, and I'm so lucky to be marrying you. I know our marriage is going to be amazing. You gave me the world. How could I ever pay you back? It's impossible, but I'm going to try every day because you deserve the world. Right now, I have butterflies in my stomach. Me too. I feel so nervous and excited, like when we first started dating. I love you, and I'm going to be your husband. So sweet.
Today I'm finally marrying my best friend. And can I honestly say that I am unbelievably lucky. You have filled my life with so many stars. That no matter how hard I try, I can never count them. I can never repay you. You make sure my life is filled with so much love that even when I'm not looking, you choose to love me because you love me, not because I'm watching. You have taught me to be loving. You have shown me what it's like to be a good partner and a friend.
I promise to love you, to be the best wife I can be, to create a home filled with learning and laughter, to surprise you. I vow to always kiss you goodnight to be an endless adventurer with you, and to always have faith in your love for me. We're getting married, babe.
That's beautiful.
We're here. You look so handsome. Look at you.
You look great. I love it.
You love it? I love you.
Stephanie, I love how kind you are to every animal you meet. I love how you ask me questions while we're watching TV, even when I haven't even seen the show yet. I love that you love traveling and exploring. I love that you laugh at all my jokes. I love that you believe in me and my dreams. I love how you see me. I love you and being in love with you. And I promise to continue to be the man you deserve. To take care of you and your family, the one that we build together. To always come to you for guidance and comfort. To be honest and loyal to you. To put our family and our needs above my own. To continue to get closer to you, learning more and more about you. Finally, I promise to live in a way that all of your night skies are filled with stars, reminding you of my love for you. I promise that your nights will never be dark again.
As Robbie and Stephanie have consented together in holy matrimony before God and all their guests, by giving and receiving of rings and by joining hands, I now pronounce that they are husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Sunny days together and try to find light even in the rain. I vow to create with you, push you, and inspire you, to encourage you to pursue your dreams no matter how hard the path might be, because if you have faith the size of a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move, and nothing will be impossible for us. I promise to love you and grow old with you. I love you unconditionally for all that you have been, all that you are now, and all that you've yet to be, to infinity and beyond.